We were so excited when we got this email, as these success stories really make us so happy in why we do what we do. So Molly here, she was feeling stuck and was overwhelmed and decided to commit to our MidJourney course, and that's when everything shifted for her. She followed the steps, she played with the prompts, and she created visuals that she always imagined having but didn't know how to make. And last week, she made over $5,000. Like, this is out of control. And I just want to say, look at this. Like, what you have endless options in what you can create in MidJourney. And this is where the success is bringing your visions to life. So, who's ready to take control? Who's ready to make some images? Like, stunning, absolutely stunning images. Let's get this done. Absolutely. I am so ready for this. You can literally make anything that you want. Anything. Are you ready? Let's go.